today. My name is Natalie Medina, and welcome to episode 2 of Minecraft. Now, as you can see, I have definitely upgraded my home. As you can see, there's a roof, and I accidentally broke a window. And actually has floor and walls and everything. Now, okay. So, now I need to go out and get another piece of sand. Great. But I also made a bridge right here that leads into a mining area. I just remember I still need sand for sand for here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 5 pieces. Sand. I'm watching Littlest Pet Shop while I do this, so that's why I'm so quiet. But I do not remember of Wiggles. Just be you, you can be Littlest Pet Shop. Why am I so lonely? Not too much. Anyways, I think today I'm gonna go hunting for food. Hello, Shy. Nice to meet you, Shy. But I also might be making a farm sometime soon, so I can just like go straight to that. I'm gonna have to clear a lot of dirt, and trees. I'll have lots of wood. So maybe it was a bad idea to plant the saplings back. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to turn the volume down. Now I remember Mr. Wiggles. Sleep, 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 sleep. Okay, I also have to go looking for, some, what is it called again? Coal, because I need to make, torches. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I might actually just skip by that, because I don't think anybody wants to watch me go mining. So I might just skip that, unless something exciting happens. Usually I find a lot of, a lot of iron. That's the word. Okay, so I hope that's not too loud for you guys still, and I hope you can hear me now, because I'm actually very, very quiet. Okay, and I kind of have to yell. I just realized that. Okay, so it reminds me to make a sword. I hope I'm not too loud. I don't know. I never pay attention to these kinds of things. Blah, blah, blah. And I forgot about a shovel. That would have been a catastrophe. I bet you Aphmau would be here, and she'd be laughing. Okay. 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 Oh, blah, 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 blah. Reminds me of that one guy from Chowder. Does anybody remember that show, Chowder? Yeah, what about Whitney and Brittany? Okay. It's 5 minutes in. So I think I'm gonna mine a little bit, and yeah. New day. Okay, anyways. Today, guess what we're gonna do? I'll give you a hint. Holding it. If any of you guessed it, it's hunting. Why am I so lonely? And I'm bringing stuff just in case I find a cave or something. Oh, shit. Actually, you know, I think about I do. Okay, so that one's Billy. Now I just need one more sheep. I'm so bored. It's more fun with Merbs. That's what you guys are saying. Let's go tree hunting. Not tree hunting. Why am I just so dumb? No animals in sight. I swear, if I find a tree pig out here. I'm like freaked out on what's happening on my TV. Hello, little piggy. Sneak attack! Now, where did you go, little chicken? Oh, hey, my last piece of wool. I'm sorry, Adam. Where'd you go? I got it. Life Baxter. I swear, Brittany and Whitney from LPS are just like, they're just... Is it weird that, like, Brittany is my favorite character from LPS, even though she's evil? Is that weird? I don't think it is it? Hey, look, my wheat is growing. I forgot to say that. I made, like, a tiny little wheat farm. I wish I was near that one biome that gives you dark wood, so you can, like, you know, can't talk, so I can get a wolf, but I don't have any bones, because I need freaking food before I change to hardcore mode. Okay, we're at least 9 minutes in. At least that's what it looks like on my thingy-majig. I suck at parkour. I feel like I'm gonna lose my home if I go too far. If I just went in a giant normal circle. What? That looked like a torch. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Is this? Is this? I can't tell if it is. We'll have crafting table. Guys, I think that's a cave. I don't think we went back once I go see if it's in this cave. I found a cave right here on my way over there. Whee! I don't know if you can see like inside, but I sure can. That's a dead end. Do you guys remember that the first episode when I found a dead end? I got so upset. I swear, this is another dead end too. Please at least have coal or iron. I'll be right back once I mine all this coal, because one coal means a lot of coal. Look what I found, guys. I also found coal. Now you guys can see too. So this is also dead. I was about to say I'm never gonna find any iron. But hello. I'm always scared that when I start mining things, it's gonna turn out to be lava right behind it. I get so scared, and then I realize I'd be able to hear the lava. It's like really scary. Like, how many of you guys have found lava while you were mining and you just immediately died and lost half your things? It's happened to me like a million times. Ow. Okay. What? I just remembered. How did I know which way I came from? No! I think. Oh, and now I remember. Anyways. I fell. Okay. Anyways, thank you all for watching. I'm going to end it here because it's like 14 minutes in. I hope you enjoyed this really boring episode. But I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Anyways, bye-bye.